When you talk about the best that you can have, real true 4K with 8.3 megapixel camera, both of these models have that. You're going to get the best image you possibly could. You've got a 180-degree wide viewing angle out of the front camera using a Sony sensor 415, which is one of the top-of-the-line cameras out there in the market right now. So what you've got here is a 2-camera unit. Your front camera, as we're talking about, true 4K, not specification-wise, it really is 4K. It's the best you're going to get. And you get it in both of these models, either in a compact 2.inch 2-screen or the larger screen version that we have here. It comes with your power cord, of course, that goes to your cigarette lighter. Keep in mind there's an optional hardwire adapter, and you get into your rear camera that you have here. The rear camera, again, can be mounted inside or outside the vehicle with the optional bracket. You run the extension cord from the rear vehicle along the headliner up to the camera that you have there. Both of these units support Wi-Fi connection to our app that you have. You've got 24-hour parking monitor if you would like to, but that has to have the extra hardwired adapter. Smartphone, as we said, through the app and Wi-Fi, maximum support of 120 gig SD card. It has a built-in G sensor to it. The smaller model has the breakaway magnetic mount, so you can remove it from the vehicle and leave the mount attached to the vehicle that you have. Taking a look at the two of them, that 180-degree front angle is huge. 4K, real 4K, rear 1080p. You just can't get any better in a DVR. Today we're in the shop and we have a camera here. The camera can be used 3 different ways. Externally with the bracket, on a front windscreen with a bracket, or on the rear windscreen with a bracket. When you receive the camera will be mounted in the rear windscreen bracket. To remove the camera, there's 2 small Phillips head screws in the bracket, and it comes with a screwdriver. Remove the Phillips head screws and then slide the camera from the bracket. You'll notice the 2 holes on the back of the bracket. Next, you want to take the same 2 screws that you removed and attach this bracket to the back of the camera using the 2 screws. The holes will line up and then you're ready to go.